Hello everyone, I am Rubank. I work at the Oberoi Mumbai. I was always fascinated about the dishes that my mom used to cook for me, and that is when I decided to pursue the career of being a chef. Hello everyone, so today there are two interesting recipes which are coming using products from Quality New Zealand, where the first product is the whiting blue fish, which has amazing packaging quality and it has good amount of proteins, and the best part about it is that it is available throughout the year. So whenever you think that you want to cook it, it is readily available. The second product is the French cut lobster, which is best quality meat, which lot of fat, and the best part is it is gluten free, it has health benefits like vitamin, then it is directly from farm to fork. So with this lamb chops, I will be cooking some interesting recipe, which is almond crusted lamb chops with potato lyonnaise, little bit of carrots and turmeric chamomile. Ingredients are roasted walnut powder, almond flakes, chopped parsley, sliced onions, some orange segments, caramelized onion, parmesan, boiled potato, cream, Dijon mustard, some carrots, turmeric, olive oil, cherry tomatoes, rosemary and chamomile. We are marinating the lamb. So we'll keep it very simple as we have a lot of flavors in the plate. We'll marinate this lamb with a little bit of salt, black pepper, of olive oil. So make sure that you rub the salt and pepper very nicely so that the seasoning spreads throughout the meat. So now your pan needs to be very hot so that you get nice crust on the lamb chops. Add little olive oil and place the lamb chop. So you can see the crust, how nice brown color crust has come, which will give crunch to the lamb chop. So rest the lamb chop for around 2 to 3 minutes so that juices spread to all the parts of the meat. Till the time the lamb is resting, we will start making the crust. So you need roasted almond flakes for that, walnut powder, chopped parsley, parmesan and lots of pepper. Mix well. Now I'll be making chamomile and turmeric sauce, two unique flavors combined together to enhance the flavor of the lamb that we have. Add little olive oil. Sliced onions. The onions are soft. You need to add a little bit of turmeric powder to it and give it a little stir. 2 spoons of cream, little stock. Later on add the chamomile tea pouch. Chamomile has nice fruity flavor to it, which balances the earthiness of the turmeric. Once the sauce thickens, make sure you just strain it. We did not blend it as we do not want the strong flavor of onions. So now the lamb has rested for nice 2 to 3 minutes. Let's crust it with the crust that we have made and we'll put it for roasting. So before applying the crust, you need to make sure that you apply mustard nicely using a spoon and be generous as mustard and lamb go well with each other. Like mustard, you need to just put upside down towards the crust and press it gently from all the sides. See, now you can see how nicely the lamb chops has been crusted. Till the time the lamb gets cooked, let's start with the another accompaniment, which is potato lamb. You make a tian out of potatoes and caramelized onion. So you need to crush the potatoes with parmesan cheese, take caramelized onion, spread it evenly, take another potato, so it seems that the lamb chop has been cooked according to what we wanted it to be, medium done, and the potatoes have baked nicely. So we'll just remove and start with the plating now. So now we'll start with the plating. First we need to place the cutter and we'll add the sauce. We need to spread it evenly. So once you have spread evenly, this is how it will come. Now place your potato lyonnaise at the side, then followed by the lamb chop. Now place the carrots on the side. Few pieces of cherry tomato tossed in olive oil. Little touch of orange to give that sweetness to the earthy flavors of the lamb and the sauce. So one more secret ingredient, that is rosemary, which I'll place it on top of potatoes. And just before serving, we'll just blowtorch it. So when it reaches the table, the guest will get first the flavor of rosemary, and which will create hunger within the guest.